James Beckwith is a kid who truly loves to work hard.
Competition drives me to play better, and I really feel like I'm being more aggressive, trying to get to the hole, especially in the last game.
I've never seen a kid enjoy stepping out of their comfort zone for the sake of growth more than Beckwith.
There's so much competition and so many teams to look at. It's like a really fun experience.
He's a kid who will attend every optional clinic or workout and give 100%. His work ethic is contagious on the court, is a great augment to any team.
Hey, he's giving it to him.
This is a kid who truly brings a lot of intangibles. Very coachable kid, always works hard, brings a great personality to the court.